The Bird in the Coconut by Eva Dumitrescu. A story inspired by the coconut trees of Goa. Once there was a bird who found a coconut. The bird was inspired. It decided to hatch the coconut. It sat on the coconut. The other birds laughed and made jokes. I don't mind, our bird thought. After some time, the coconut hatched. A white bird came out, quickly ran away to the beach side, and then it became a coconut tree. So whenever you see coconut trees, they're actually birds in disguise. They're hiding their neck, their long legs are the trunk, and the feathers are the big leaves. When you pass by them, you can wave hello. The end.